Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Deep Learning with TensorFlow in Python. Introduction. Deep learning has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence, enabling machines to learn and make intelligent decisions on their own. In this tutorial, we will explore one of the best Python libraries for deep learning, TensorFlow. Developed by the Google Brain team, TensorFlow has gained widespread popularity due to its flexibility, scalability, and extensive community support. Installation. Before we delve into the world of deep learning with TensorFlow, let's start by installing the library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This will install the latest version of TensorFlow on your system. Getting started with TensorFlow. Now that TensorFlow is installed, let's create a simple neural network to classify handwritten digits using the famous MNIST dataset. In this example, we define a simple neural network with one hidden layer using the sequential API of TensorFlow's Keras. The model is compiled with the atom optimizer and sparse categorical cross-entropy loss function. We then train the model on the MNIST dataset for 10 epochs and evaluate its performance on the test set. Visualization. Let's visualize the training process and accuracy using Matplotlib. This code snippet uses Matplotlib to plot the training accuracy and validation accuracy over epochs. It helps us visualize how well our model is learning from the training data. Conclusion. TensorFlow is a powerful library that provides a comprehensive platform for building and deploying deep learning models. This tutorial covered the basics of using TensorFlow for deep learning with a simple example, but there is much more to explore, including convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and more advanced features. As you continue your deep learning journey, don't forget to explore TensorFlow's documentation and the broader deep learning community for additional resources and examples. Happy coding! ChatGPT